Hey guys, it's me, Teresa Perrin. I am so annoyed right now. I know this came out earlier, but I just had a chance to look at a little bit of social media and saw Charles Payne and payment for order flow information that just set me off. So I wanted to share it with you guys. And, something needs to be done by retail, and Gary Gensler needs to go because clearly there's a conflict of interest, and I don't think he's working for us. And I think we all realize that by now. And guys, we pay his salary as taxpayers, so he needs to protect retail, and he's not doing that. And this just proves it right here. So let me show you the headlines and tell you the most important part about the fact that they're going to continue to allow payment for order flow. So all of that work that we've been thinking was building up to it getting banned. Guess what? It's not, which is why Robinhood at the beginning of the day was ripping. But then, of course, it got sucked right back down because it's a horrible company. But anyways, let me show you. All right, guys, so Charles Payne has a clip on this. If you want to YouTube search him, you can. But he says the most bipartisan thing on Capitol Hill is getting rich as a public servant. He seems very pissed about this information as well because the SEC is set to let Wall Street keep payment for order flow deals, and it appears that Congress just tabled it. And exactly, because guys, they like the conflict of interest. They get, I'm sure, some of them anyways, probably get a little bit of kickbacks or, money towards their campaigns from, people like Ken Griffin. Allegedly, supposedly, nobody wants to get sued, but there's a reason that they don't protect us, guys. And I think that, we need to start speaking out a lot more because this is getting absolutely ridiculous. So payment for order flow is not getting banned. And the most important thing that I took away from the article from Bloomberg was senior SEC officials have signaled in recent meetings with executives that a ban is no longer on the table. Yeah, I wonder why. Deep pockets, I'm sure. Money talks, and they don't really care about protecting us. That's the bottom line. The SEC now appears to be focused on other ways to make the market more transparent following pushbacks from the industry. Of course there's pushbacks because that's how they cheat. Guys, this is such crap. Gensler made clear in congressional testimony that he believes it is appropriate to look at ways to freshen up the SEC's rules to make our equity markets as fair, efficient, and competitive as possible for investors, particularly for retail investors. All I have to say to this is absolute BS. You know what? You don't really care about protecting us. You care about protecting your pockets and getting paid to look the other way. So why don't you do your job and stop, letting them steal from us? We are the little guys in this market, and we are getting kicked literally from every angle, guys. This is why I'm telling you, some of these stocks that retail loves, they purposely just go after them. And I don't think a lot of them are going to run anytime soon, especially now this happened. And I hate to say that. It really is heartbreaking, but I think, guys, that they're going to continue to just screw us over every chance they get. So you might want to think a little bit about that. I know I'm going to. All right, guys, sorry to be the bearer of bad news.